Are you somebody who has a child between the ages of 2 and 12 years old? Or maybe you're caring for one? If so, do you ever get frustrated in handling some of the behaviors that they throw at you? Maybe it's things like whining, having a temper tantrum in the grocery store. Maybe it's too much screen time or they're just not listening well. Well, I totally understand. Before I became a parent, I actually had an opportunity to become a parent education instructor, and I was coached by Karen LaPianca, who had over 30 years of parent education experience that she passed on to me so that I could teach parenting skills, which I did for 6 years before I even had a child. How is that even possible? Well, one of the reasons is because these skills are communication skills that you can use on anybody. I practice with my husband, my coworkers, other people's kids, and even my pet rabbit. I decided in honor of Karen that I would love to facilitate some parent education workshops. So I've collaborated with the Ninth Street Wellness Center in Green Bay to go forward with holding 3 workshops. It'll be the same workshop offered on 3 different times: August 19th, August 27th, and August 29th. During this 2 hour workshop, we will not only review as many parenting skills as we can, but we will practice them together so that you can set yourself up for being more confident in handling pretty much any behaviors that get thrown at you. I'd love for you to join us. Contact me at 920-430-0717 if you're at all interested. Take care and have a great one.